see who we have here. We have Ike and Emmanuel here. Come on, baby, wear your glasses. Mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, Ike. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Style, you guys. Ike is kissing me with style. Ike is kissing me with style. Can you guys see? Kiss mommy with style. It's so sweet. You guys, I have January visitors. Yeah, it's such a blessing to have visitors as this, right? Yeah, I'm so blessed, so blessed. I started my year very good and I'm so happy. Yep, this is how we are starting this vlog. We'll be going out. I'll show you what we are doing when we go out. We have some little things to go and do out there, so we'll let you see. And they come out cap only, I'm not in the wear cap back. You see my life. See mother's life. You guys, let me show you Emmanuel, his elder brother. Emmanuel, say hello. Say hello. Come on, baby. So we have these blessings. You're going to see them all. We'll see you guys. We'll let you guys see what we'll be doing on today's vlog. So guys, we are stepping out. We'll be coming back shortly. Emmanuel and the kids are at the back. See Ike and Emmanuel right there. So guys, we'll just show you guys what we'll be doing. Guys, we are just coming back. I'll see you guys at home. I'll show you the things we bought. Stay tuned. You guys, it's big. Yes, Emma, yes. It's been a day. Oops. Come on, baby. You don't want to fall. It's been a day. I have a lot to do, guys, but oh man. Tell me how it is around you guys. Tell me when you have this ages in your house. Yes, they just want to play. You have a lot to do. You can't even play. Like I have so much to do right now, but they just want to play. And oh my God, you guys. Manuela and her brothers. Emanuela has been doing a great job here.
Where are you going?
You guys, I still want to have 7 children. Oh. And with all of this whole work here, I don't know how it's going to be. Emma, come here so that you don't fall. Bring Emmanuel. Emmanuel, stop running. You're going to fall. Stop running. Come on. Come here, you guys. Come on. Come here, both of you. Come here. Sit right here. Come on, sit right here. Good. They like to play, guys. They just love to play. They love to play. These two are just so fun to be with. guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Manuela herself is so like. So guys, we bought this pizza. You can use this for pie. You can use it for pie. You can use it for pizza. You know, it states like this is what you have here. This is so beautiful. I've been looking for a pizza. I usually use my frying pan for pizza tray because I like to make the big size of it. So I eventually got this, which is one of the reasons why I stepped out. You know, children love pizza a lot, and yeah. Oh, they will not even let me show this thing. Oh my goodness! Come on, baby, come on. Sit here. So I'm going to just open it up and we'll see what we have inside. Isn't this beautiful? This is so beautiful. So this is so good. We can make 3 pizza crusts with this. This is so beautiful. So guys, yeah, this is what we have. This is what is inside, guys. Oh Lord, my God! You guys hold on. Wow, this is for a very big pizza, guys.
Pizza.
These kids.
That's it. Oh,
You can use it for your That's what we have inside. You guys look at Ikechuku. He is full of life. Aya ayo, ayo oyo. Iya ayo, iya ayo. No sleep. No sleep. Aya ayo, me. Only him know what he's singing. Aya ayo. Oh my God, we can't work anything today. I just pray. Oh, I have to back him, or you just back him, Emanuela.
Yeah.
You guys just enjoy this vlog. Oh. You're going to be seeing a lot of me and these children. My battalions. Their daddy said they are not coming home. They should stay with Big Mommy.
No.
He's busy talking, singing Latin. You guys stay tuned, honestly. This is sweet. Oh my God, this is so sweet. This is okay, so sweet. They are just so sweet. You guys see. Oh man, this is good. Stay tuned. Oh Jesus. Aya. Guys, I don't know how I'm going to do what I have to do today, but I'll do it. I'm going to get the pizza pan. Yeah. You guys see. You guys see. Oh my God, you guys see, so strong. Oh my God, you guys see. You guys see. No. It's so strong. Oh my God, oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ow! Oh my goodness. Ouch. This is real work. This is real. I'm looking at it whether he has poo-pooed again. Oh, he came back. We have to bathe him because he poo-pooed. I'm going to break my head. It's a lot. I bought some pineapples like is it 1 week ago, right? 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 pineapples I bought. I'm sure you guys saw that grocery video. Big sizes. It got bad because of cold, and I want to use it for a recipe, so I have to buy another one today. So this is why we stepped out. Yeah, and then I got this pizza tray that I told you guys. Yeah, I just went to buy this few vegetables. My oranges are all finished, and I'm about to make the tea I used to make, you know, the tea recipe. So I just ran out of some ginger. I decided to pick some. So these are the reason why we went to Fresh Marketplace to buy these things, because I'll be using them for a recipe tomorrow. Yeah, I have to make the tea. Yeah, just stock my vegetable and then get myself started for the week. I'll show you a proper pizza video. Look out for that recipe soon. Pizza video will be coming out soon. I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm so tired. The kids will not let me do anything, and I don't know, it is what it is. But Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. There's a video I'll be putting down here. Emanuela did this cake and it was so delicious. She's going to start making some recipes in her Small Madam channel. Please look out for her first video. I'll make sure she says something to you all. You guys stay tuned to another video. Thank you all for staying. Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Ciao, ciao. See you in our next video, guys.